The benefits of lemon water on fasting, myth or truth? Have you ever heard that drinking water with lemon on an empty stomach works miracles for your health? Is this true or just another internet myth? Have you ever tried lemon water? Tell us here in the comments. Have you ever heard that drinking water with lemon on an empty stomach works miracles for your health? Is this true or just a myth? In this video, we will explore the most talked about benefits of lemon water, demystify what science really says on the subject, and teach you the correct way to consume it. Additionally, you will discover who should avoid this practice and why. Don't miss this valuable information to take better care of your health. Watch until the end and share with your friends who love wellness tips. If you want to receive more incredible tips to improve your health and quality of life, subscribe to the channel right now and activate the bell so you don't miss any content. We are on this wellness journey together. Have you ever heard that drinking water with lemon on an empty stomach can transform your health? Is this true or just another myth that gained fame on the internet? In today's video, we're going to investigate this question and reveal everything you need to know. Introduce yourself quickly, connecting with the audience. For example, I'm your name, passionate about health and well-being, and my goal here is to help you understand what really works to improve your quality of life. Promise to answer the question and invite the audience to watch until the end. Initial engagement, comment here. Have you ever drunk water with lemon on an empty stomach? Did it work for you? Before we believe in the popular benefits, let's see what the science really says. Demystify the most popular topics using a direct and authoritative approach. Detox, explain that the body already has natural detoxification mechanisms, but that lemon, being rich in antioxidants, can indirectly help in this process. Digestion, talk about the impact of acidity in stimulating the production of gastric juice, which improves digestion. Immunity, emphasize that the vitamin C in lemon is beneficial, but that the amount in a glass of lemon water is not enough for great effects. Weight loss, water with lemon can help with hydration and give a feeling of satiety, but it does not burn fat directly. Use phrases that reinforce the truth. So, water with lemon is not magic, but it can be an ally, especially when combined with healthy habits. Anyone who has tooth sensitivity should avoid frequent consumption of acidic foods such as lemon. People with gastritis or reflux may experience worsening symptoms. Always consult your doctor or nutritionist before changing your eating routine. How to consume correctly? The best way to consume is with warm water, as it is kinder to the digestive system. Use half a lemon a day, freshly squeezed, and avoid sweetening to maintain the benefits. Protect your teeth by using a straw or rinsing your mouth after consuming. When done right, lemon water can be a great addition to your routine. So, is lemon water a myth or a truth? The answer is, it depends. It can help in some aspects, but it is not a miracle. The secret is to use it as part of a healthy lifestyle. And you, are you going to include water with lemon in your routine? Tell me in the comments. Who should avoid lemon water on fasting? You've heard that drinking water with lemon on an empty stomach can bring many health benefits, but is this practice suitable for everyone? The answer is, no. Some people need to be careful about regularly consuming lemon water, especially on an empty stomach. Let's explore who to avoid and the reasons behind it. 1. Tooth sensitivity. Lemon is rich in citric acid, and this acidity can cause erosion of tooth enamel over time. People who already have tooth sensitivity may notice an aggravation when consuming water with lemon frequently, especially if it is on an empty stomach, when saliva, which helps neutralize acids, is less active. Warning signs: pain when consuming very hot or cold foods or drinks. How to minimize the impact: use a straw when drinking lemon water or rinse your mouth with plain water immediately after drinking. 2. Gastric problems, gastritis and reflux. Lemon acid can also irritate the gastric mucosa, worsening gastritis, gastroesophageal reflux or other stomach problems. For those who already suffer from these problems, consuming lemon water on an empty stomach can cause a burning sensation, discomfort or even more intense pain. Why does this happen? Lemon stimulates the production of gastric juice, which is beneficial for digestion in some people, but harmful for those who already have excess acidity in the stomach. Recommendation: in these cases, it is best to avoid or consult a doctor before including water with lemon in your routine. 3. People with ulcers or wounds in the digestive tract. Anyone who has ulcers in the stomach or esophagus should avoid acidic foods, such as lemon, as they can aggravate the wounds and cause severe pain. Effective acid increases irritation and makes healing of these injuries difficult. Alternative, opt for neutral or less acidic drinks to start the day. 4. People with citrus allergy. Although rare, some people may be allergic to citrus fruits, such as lemons, oranges, or tangerines. Symptoms range from mild, such as itching in the mouth or throat, to more serious, such as swelling or difficulty breathing. Important tip: if you notice any allergic reaction after consuming lemon water, seek medical attention immediately. 5. Young children and elderly. Young children and the elderly should also avoid excessive consumption of acidic foods like lemon. Their stomachs may be more sensitive, and frequent consumption can cause gastric discomfort or even harm their oral health. Recommendations: if you want to try it, do it in very small quantities and dilute it with plenty of water. Although lemon water is a practice widely promoted for its benefits, it is essential to recognize that it is not suitable for everyone. If you have a condition that could be aggravated by lemon consumption, it is best to avoid it or seek medical advice before adopting this habit. Health is about conscious choices, and understanding what works for you is the first step to well-being. If you want to enjoy the benefits of lemon water without harming your health, it is essential to know how to consume it the right way. Although simple, small adjustments in preparation and consumption can make all the difference in protecting your oral health and avoiding gastric discomfort. Here is the step-by-step guide to using this practice safely and effectively. 1. Lemon choice. The ideal is to use a fresh, ripe lemon, freshly squeezed. Avoid processed juices, as they may contain preservatives or added sugars that reduce the benefits of the fruit. Why? Fresh lemon guarantees a greater concentration of nutrients, such as vitamin C and antioxidants. 2. Ideal quantity. Half a lemon is enough for a 200 to 250 milliliters glass of water. Too much can overload the stomach or cause tooth sensitivity. Remember, more does not mean better. Consistency and habit is more important than exaggerating the dose. 3. Water temperature. Prefer warm or room temperature water. Very cold water can make digestion difficult, while warm water helps the body process food more smoothly, especially in the morning. 4. Protect your teeth. Citric acid can wear down tooth enamel over time. To avoid this, use a straw when drinking lemon water. Rinse your mouth with plain water immediately after consuming. Avoid brushing your teeth immediately after drinking lemon water, as your enamel may be more vulnerable. 5. Schedule and frequency. The most popular time to consume lemon water is on an empty stomach, but this is not mandatory. You can take it at other times of the day, as long as it works for your routine and doesn't cause discomfort. Tip: consume in moderation, no more than once a day. Avoid sugaring. Adding sugar or honey to lemon water may reduce the benefits and increase caloric intake, especially if you are seeking benefits for weight loss or glycemic control. Alternative: if you need to soften the flavor, add mint leaves or a small piece of ginger. By following these guidelines, you can include lemon water in your routine in a healthy way and enjoy its benefits without taking any risks. Small precautions in preparation and consumption make all the difference so that this practice really contributes to your well-being. Remember, the secret is in balance and moderation. We have reached the end of this video, and I hope you have answered all your questions about water with lemon on an empty stomach. As we have seen, this practice can be beneficial for many people, as long as it is done with awareness and moderation. Lemon water is not a miracle, but it can be a great addition to a healthy habits routine. Whether it's to start the day with an extra dose of hydration and antioxidants or as a gentle stimulus for the digestive system, it has its merits. On the other hand, it is also important to respect the body's limits and know when to avoid it, as in the case of people with gastric problems or tooth sensitivity. In the end, what matters is balance. Combine this practice with a balanced diet, physical exercise and a good night's sleep. Health isn't about a single solution, it's about building a lifestyle that works for you. Now it's your turn, try lemon water and see how your body reacts. If you like the tips, leave a like, share this video with someone who can also benefit from this information and comment below what you think. Oh, and don't forget, Subscribe to the channel and activate the bell so you don't miss any valuable tips about health and well-being. Here, we are always ready to help you live better.